Welcome to our video on 7 beginner-friendly passive income ideas using AI. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a full-time revenue stream, these ideas can help you get started. Let's dive in. First up is YouTube automation. This involves creating and managing YouTube channels without being on camera. You can use AI tools like TubeBuddy for optimization and Canva for thumbnails. Start by selecting a niche, creating engaging content, and automating uploads. With dedication, you can earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s monthly through ad revenue and sponsorships. Next, we have blogging with AI. Use AI writing tools like Jasper or Grammarly to generate content ideas and improve your writing. Choose a niche, create a blog using platforms like WordPress, and monetize through ads or affiliate links. Beginners can earn from $50 to a few $1,000s a month depending on traffic and engagement. The third idea is print on demand. This allows you to sell custom-designed products without holding inventory. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to create and sell items like t-shirts or mugs. Beginners can start by designing unique graphics and promoting them on social media. Earnings can range from a few dollars to thousands depending on sales volume. Affiliate marketing is our fourth idea. This involves promoting products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Use AI tools to analyze trends and find profitable niches. Start by signing up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Realistic earnings can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s monthly. Fifth on our list is creating digital products. This can include ebooks, online courses, or printables. Use AI tools like Canva for design and Teachable for course creation. Identify a topic you're passionate about, create your product, and market it online. Depending on demand, earnings can vary widely, from a few dollars to thousands. Next, we have AI voiceover channels. Create content using AI-generated voices for narration. Tools like Descript or Murph can help you produce high-quality audio. Start by selecting a niche, creating scripts, and uploading videos to platforms like YouTube. Earnings can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s monthly, depending on views and engagement. Finally, stock content creation is a great passive income idea. Use AI tools to generate high-quality images or videos and sell them on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Start by creating a portfolio of your work and uploading it to stock sites. Earnings can vary, but many creators earn passive income ranging from a few dollars to thousands each month. In conclusion, these 7 passive income ideas using AI offer exciting opportunities for beginners. With the right tools and dedication, you can start generating income and building your financial future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.